Today, we're diving deep into some hot leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, specifically focusing on its camera system. If you're a mobile photography enthusiast like us, then this is the video for you. Just yesterday, the rumor mill was churning about the Galaxy S25 series. The buzz was that only the top-of-the-line S25 Ultra would be getting a camera upgrade next year, while the standard S25 and S25 Plus would stick with the same specs as their predecessors. Well, buckle up, folks, because thanks to some fresh leaks on X, we have even more exciting details about the S25 Ultra's camera improvements. According to these rumors, the S25 Ultra will boast a brand new version of Samsung's well-regarded 1/2 76-inch Isocell JN1 sensor. Now, this sensor is interesting because while it's slightly smaller than the one found in the S24 Ultra, it packs a hopping 50 megapixel resolution. That's right, folks, 50 megapixels for capturing those incredibly sharp photos you crave. But hold on, the upgrades don't stop there. The S25 Ultra's 3x telephoto camera is also getting a significant revamp. It's said to come equipped with a new 1/3 inch Isocell sensor, which is a slight improvement in size compared to the sensor in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And guess what? It also jumps on the 50 megapixel resolution bandwagon, matching the resolution of the ultrawide sensor on the S25 Ultra. So what does this all mean? Essentially, these upgrades translate to even better photo quality and finer details, no matter if you're zooming in on distant objects or capturing breathtaking wide landscapes. But wait, there's more. Samsung is also reportedly working on developing new algorithms to take both photo and video quality to the next level. While specifics are still under wraps, the leaks suggest these improvements will be quite substantial. Now, some of you might be curious about the main sensor. The leaks suggest that the main sensor on the S25 Ultra will be identical in size to the one on the S24 Ultra. There's even a possibility it could be the exact same sensor. But hey, with Samsung's proven track record, you can still expect top-notch performance in this department. It's important to remember that the official unveiling of the S25 family is still several months away, with a likely launch date around January 2025. So stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the big reveal. While the leaks haven't dropped the official names of the new sensors just yet, here's a quick recap to keep things clear. The ultra-wide camera will sport a new iteration of the 1/2 76-inch JN1 sensor with a powerful 50 megapixel resolution. The 3x telephoto camera gets a bump up with a new 1/3 inch Isocell sensor, also boasting a 50 megapixel resolution. Now, these upgrades might not be as revolutionary as some might have hoped for, but considering the limitations of internal space within the phone, it's still a solid step forward. Let's talk about what these advancements mean for you, the everyday user. Higher resolution sensors combined with improved algorithms translate to capturing crisper, more detailed photos and videos. Whether you're a professional photographer or someone who simply loves snapping memories on your phone, the S25 Ultra's camera system, based on these leaks, is shaping up to be a powerful tool for all your mobile photography needs. So, what are your thoughts on these camera upgrades? Are you hyped for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you guys, so don't be shy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech news and leaks throughout the year. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this: a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 gigabytes RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GHz. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.